Going to break 45-57 for the 2021 Topps Archive 6 Series Active Player Edition Baseball Card Box. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Monday, March 15th, 2021. It's 10:58 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:58 p.m. Central Time, and 7:58 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, Just has all 6 divisions. No need to randomize. Just, let's see what we have for you in 45-57. We have a 1/1 Topps Chrome Luis Castillo for the Cincinnati Reds. Very nice. Got a 1/1 for the Reds and Castillo. No need to randomize. Congrats, Just, and thank you all for watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot in the autographed football mini helmet. And up next is 45-61 for the 2020 The Rookies Graded Basketball Edition card box. Thanks.